I am a diesel truck mechanic. I've been a mechanic for a very long time now. In my line of work, lifting and bending is just a routine. Both hands, both knees. At work one day, the left knee locked. Every time I tried to get up, it would hurt. Just the thought of that mean not able to do my job, it was like a punch in the gut, you know? So if I can't walk, you know, I didn't like how it felt. And that's when I met Dr. Walters. Confidence was restored. When he said, Mr. Campbell, you're gonna be okay. He was right on the money. The procedure was easy. Came out of surgery, minimal pain. I feel 20 years younger. I'm just overwhelmed. The whole thing went so smooth. Broward Health is top of the line. Top doctors, therapists, the facility, top of the line.